And hello everyone, my name is Bert and welcome to my channel. In this channel, let's talk about dreams. Okay? Meaning of dreams, especially with cats, associate with cats. So, if you dream about cats, this is the meaning of that. Cat symbolism in dreams. Some say that cats in dreams are symbol for your intuition and that the health of the cat indicates wherever you are heeding or ignoring your intuition. A dream about the sick cat then might mean that you need to listen to your intuition more and really less on intellect. So that's it. The meaning of dreams associate with cats.